Hello everyone. Today we will look at the concept of groups in Linux, what we need, why we use them, and how we use them. I will show you step by step. Before moving on to the video, please like and share the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. In Linux, groups are a way to organize users and manage permissions collectively. A group allows multiple users to share the same access rights to files, directories, and system resources. Here's how group management works and how you can manage groups effectively. Primary group. Each user is assigned a primary group when their account is created. Files the user creates will belong to this group by default. Secondary, supplementary groups. A user can belong to multiple secondary groups, which grant additional permissions to files owned by those groups. To see all groups on your system, use cat/etc/group. To see the groups a user belongs to, use groups username. Use the group add command to create a new group. Sudo group add group name. To add a user to a secondary group, use the usermod command. Sudo usermod ag group name username. The AG option ensures you append the group to the user's existing groups without removing current group memberships. To remove a user from a group, use the gpasswd command sudo gpasswd-d username group name. Deleting a group. To delete a group, use the groupdel command sudo groupdel group name. To change the primary group of a user, use the usermod command with the -g option. Sudo usermod-g, new group username. Group management is a powerful way to organize users and control access to system resources in Linux. By efficiently managing groups, administrators can easily manage permissions across multiple users, ensuring a more secure and collaborative environment. Thank you for watching my video. I hope I was able to add something to you. Never forget to practice, and I would be glad if you liked my video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.